Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, segregation, a very much not wanted phenomena that is normally ignored in the construction of buildings. So, how to control segregation when you are working on rooftop or any such place, or if you are, we all know that you cannot drop concrete from more than 1 meter. And if you look at this here, this height is more than 8 feet. And if we drop concrete from there to here, it will segregate. So to control this segregation, we have applied this method. Like this person is dropping it in this, what we can call it, okay, and this person is picking it. Here you can see. So the segregation has been controlled in a very good manner, and this is the wanted thing, and you are supposed to be doing it whenever you are constructing. If you're doing concrete at any place that is below the height of more than 1 feet. So segregation causes concrete to weaken. You have to control it, and this was one of the methods that I wanted to share it with you. You can follow this tip. If you are an expert, you must know that this is one of the easy and economical solution to control the segregation.